The place I'm currently staying in, I found through Airbnb, of course. It's costing me £360 all in for 1 month. And that should just about cover your electricity and gas bills in England. It is half flat, half homestay, as there is some Vietnamese families who are living in the floors beneath this. I am on the top floor, the 5th floor of this apartment. So I'm going to briefly show you around the apartment, head for a gym session, tell you a few little tips and tricks on ATMs in Ho Chi Minh. Very important. Firstly, here's my huge kitchen. I don't mind not having a kitchen at all in apartments in Southeast Asia because you just eat out every meal. But one thing I do really like, especially in the morning, is a kettle. As long as I've got a kettle, I'm absolutely fine. So there's my kitchen. Toilet, sink, shower. What more do you want? And my clothes are currently drying here. And one good thing about this apartment is that you're able to use the washing machine that's a couple of floors downstairs that the Vietnamese family own. So absolutely brilliant. So I don't actually need to go to a laundrette to wash my clothes. I can do them from the comfort of my own flat. And then as we open our window here, I've had worse views from a shower before, that's for sure. I again got a huge discount because I booked for a month. Do the same. So bedroom, double bed, aircon, and a nice big desk. A desk is very important considering what I do, obviously. So my laptop's churning away, downloading some footage for everyone to watch as we speak. The best part of this flat by an absolute mile. Let's check out the balcony. And I actually have a little job I have to do every morning. And as you can see, there's a load of herbs and plants here. And this is actually a self-sufficient garden that the landlady had. So she was able to use these to cook with over lockdown when all the shops were shut in Ho Chi Minh. So to prevent them from all dying, every morning I wake up, sit myself down here, have a coffee and water the plants for 5 minutes. It's absolutely brilliant. That's a quick tour of my apartment. I don't like to do big apartment tours. I usually stay in very small apartments, so there's not much to look at anyway. So I'm going to head downstairs now. After that, I'm going to briefly talk about some very important information regarding ATMs in Ho Chi Minh. One ATM in particular in Ho Chi Minh that you basically have to use, and it's called Argribank. And the reason you use it is because it only charges 22,000 Vietnamese dong, which is less than £1 and less than $1 on each transaction, which is actually really good for Southeast Asia. ATMs to be very careful of over here because of the high fees are ATMs like BIDV and the one behind me, Sacombank. These two do not use because they've got between 3% and 5% on withdrawal fees. And if you're in Ho Chi Minh for a long time, that can really add up. And I'm going to put a little list underneath this video of the best ATMs and the worst ATMs to use when you're in Ho Chi Minh City. And I've done all the work so you don't have to. Enough boring ATM chat, let's go for a gym session. And one thing I do love is the walk to this gym. It's one of the reasons I love Ho Chi Minh so much. It's the little alleyways you see where you've got the market stalls and the families working and the shops, and it's really, really nice. It's the nicest walk to a gym I think I've ever done, and it's one of the main reasons why I just love this city so much. Seems to be a blockade up here. And there actually was one as well. Hard at work, well done. I've only been walking a couple of minutes. I've had about 5 people say hello to me, and already got some quite nice cinematic shots. Just everywhere you look, there's another alley. It's absolutely brilliant. And you obviously get the odd car horn and motorbike horn when they want you to get out the way, and that's absolutely fair enough. I must be a nuisance to drivers, but sometimes I need to be in the middle of the road to get the good shot, right? And this gym that I'm a member of, which is just down this road, it's actually quite impressive. I only spent, I think, £20 for a month for the membership to this gym. And it's only been open a couple of years, so the equipment is really clean and new. It's actually above a cafe. There's about 5 floors to this gym. Downstairs is a cafe. There's a couple of floors for the gym. One's a men's gym and one's a women's gym. Also at reception are massage chairs and a sauna, all for £20 per month. What a bargain. So I'm going to head there now, do a little chest session, show you guys around the gym, and let's get working out. Thing about this gym is at reception there's 2 absolutely massive massage chairs. So I'll see you in about half an hour. Oh, and did I need that? I feel loads better now. A bit of a chest workout. I I started it pretty tired, I must admit, but I managed to just about get them 35s up, so not too bad. And then the massage chair, as you'd have seen in my videos, or if you know Vietnam, it's not the most comfortable of cities when it comes to your body. As we just walk past, actually, everything's wooden. Seats, tables, beds, and there's just no cushions or anything in this city, so you do actually need to keep your body supple. I think it's food time, don't you? And here we have it. And this is how I like my noodles at the moment here. I like having one bowl full of the dry noodles, the bean sprouts, the vegetables, and then the next one just of the soup. So then you can gradually tip the soup in and kind of make it as dry or as wet as you want it. Absolutely brilliant. Right, I'm hungry. Thank you. I will see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
And see you tomorrow. Have a good day. I should have tipped them more, actually. I didn't realise how cheap it was. 35,000 Vietnamese dong that meal was. I had a massive bowl of soup and noodles, and then the other bowl was just dried noodles and vegetables. Just incredible. And that brings the end to another vlog. And I really enjoyed this one. We started with an apartment tour. I then told you about the ATMs with the best rates. And remember, they'll all be below this video. We then went for a gym session, and then we had some lovely food. Oh, and a nice massage chair session as well in between. So I'm going to head back now. It's been an absolute pleasure. I'm speaking a little bit more on my last few videos, and if you like me talking more or playing music in the background more, just send me a little comment below. I just want to produce videos that my audience like. So we're going to keep going, guys and girls. Same time, same place tomorrow. See you soon.